Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring how to create a Zen workspace using essential oils. Let's dive in. First up, Lavender Essential Oil. Its calming properties make it perfect for reducing stress. Diffuse it or create a room spray for an instant calming effect. Peppermint oil is invigorating and helps improve focus. Diffuse during work sessions to enhance mental clarity. Eucalyptus oil clears the mind and purifies the air. Use it in a diffuser or as a room spray for a refreshing workspace. Lemon oil uplifts mood and boosts energy. Diffuse it to keep your workspace fresh and invigorating. Frankincense oil is grounding and promotes peace, perfect for creating a serene atmosphere in your workspace. These essential oils can transform your workspace into a Zen environment. Remember to use high-quality oils and enjoy the benefits they bring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.